Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your USB flash drive is showing up 0 bytes of data. So I just want to get it out of the way right from the start. If you are coming across an issue where the flash drive is coming up is showing 0 bytes of free and used space, there is certainly a change that whatever data is on that flash drive is already corrupted. So if you're trying to recover any data on it, it's properly already gone. But we will run a check this utility scan on this, and then worst come to the worst, if you want to keep for using it down to road, at least there a blank state as a new flash drive, which will still have problem guys. I wouldn't continue putting a lots of sensitive documents on it, just like a backup flash, just transferring files between computers kind of thing. Today I'll show you guys how to format the drive as well as. So without further ado it, let's jump straight into it guys. First go to search menu and type file explorer, open it, then go to this PC and right click on the drive. This is 0 byte. My case there is a size to it, so just want to put that out there, but your drive will say 0 megabytes more than likely than not. Just right click on your flash drive or USB drive, click on properties and go to tools option over here, and error checking. This option will check the drive for file system error. Click check. Scan drive, you can keep using the drive during the scan. If errors are found, you can decide if you want to fix them. Click on it. If you get any problems here guys, that will definitely resolve you. Windows successfully scanned the drive, no errors were found, and close out of here. Now if you not get resolved guys, I had a problem in flash drive. If you not get resolved, I did format guys that can resolve your problem. Right click on it, just click on format option over here and click on start quick format, click OK. Now that will format complete guys. Close out of here. Now hopefully that can resolve your problem guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thank you.